What a beautiful face I have found in this place that is circling all around the sun. What a beautiful dream that would flash on the screen in the blink of an eye and be gone from me. Soft and sweet, let me hold it close there, keep it here with me. One day we will die and our ashes will fly from the aeroplane over the sea. But for now we are young, let us lay in the sun and count every beautiful thing we can see. Love to be in the arms of all I'm keeping here with me. Oh yeah, that's it. What a curious life we have found here tonight. There is music that sounds from the street. There are lights in the cloud and there's ghosts all around. Hear a voice as it's rolling and ringing through me. Soft and sweet, how the notes all bend and reach above the trees.
Skinny.
And how I remember you, how I would push my fingers through your mouth to make the muscles move, that make your voice so smooth and sweet. And now we keep where we don't know, all secrets sleep in winter clothes, with one you loved so long ago that you don't even know his name. What a beautiful face I have found in this place that is circling all around the sun. Running meet on the cloud, I'll be laughing out loud, I'll be laughing with everyone I see. Can't believe how strange it is to be anything